Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines for Thursday the 13th of December. Now the Fed are moving as expected. We do have QE for $45 billion a month of treasuries on top of the $40 billion mortgage-backed securities they already purchased, and interestingly the move to include unemployment at 6.5% as a target for any future interest rate hikes, and this opens up the argument that perhaps Mark Carney will bring to the Bank of England that we'll be using measures as well as just the inflation rate when it comes to interest rate setting. Now, the good thing about this is it did give us something in terms of US markets to talk about that wasn't the fiscal cliff. Back in Europe, we've had the Swiss National Bank today not moving on interest rates or on the euro Swiss franc floor, having seen a lot of chatter this week that the markets were expecting that. They're still maintaining a firm stance, but without a lack of action, we see the pair move back below 121. Now in London, the FTSE's down 10 at 59.35. We've got the tale of two retailers today, with HMV looking like they might be assigned to the history books of the UK High Street, down 35% today as sales and losses for them continuing. Sports Direct very much on the other side of proceedings, a higher performance from them, 22% better half one revenue than the equivalent period last year, and a record period on the back of the London Olympics. Now in the FTSE 100, we're seeing Wood Group lower 2% for them on numbers, and also Tullow Oil at the top of the market, 2% better off. They had a slide yesterday. Now the EU banking supervisory agreement has finally been agreed after 14 hours of talks, with ourselves and Sweden opting out, and this is expecting to be in place by March. On the back of this, we're seeing Eurodollar around the 130.70 level, and gold actually weakening slightly yesterday on the back of the Fed news at $1,699. US markets today will be the continuation of talking about QE4, and then all eyes back towards the fiscal cliff as we're now getting closer to their deadline, although we're still looking very much like a deal hasn't been agreed. The Dow are expecting an opening call lower by 15, 132.28. We saw pretty flat trading in the US yesterday, and that expected to continue today. That's it from me. Do check out our Insight platform for further news and analysis.